Good day to all employers. My name is Charlene A. Masata from Buena Vista, Viraca, Tandoanes. I am 32 years old. I'm single parent. I have two children, one girl and one boy. Her age is 2 and 12 years old. My educational attainment is college graduate. I'm 5 years experience as a household here in the Philippines. I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, doing laundry, marketing, ironing, baking, and take care of the baby, take care of newborn baby, take care of the pets, car washing. I am hardworking woman, respectful, loyal, trustworthy, patient to the children, and calm, honest, and willing to task giving. If you hired me, I will do my duties and responsibility. I promise to finish my contract and to work with you as long you need me. I hope you will choose me, mom and sir, as your helper. Bye. Goodbye, mom and sir.